Hello everyone, welcome to another Framer tutorial video. In today's video, I will show you how to convert Figma designs into Framer websites in a very easy and very quick way. Now, before we get started, you can get a 25% off on a yearly Framer subscription down below with our code. You can also open up a free Framer account with our link down below with some special offers. So let's get started. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to go and open up a clean another page, a new project here. Well, and once we land on the new project, what we want to do is we want to go to Google, want to type in Figma to HTML with Framer. Now we can click on this one or this one. I clicked on this one just so I can show you right here how this looks like. So this is pretty much everything you want to know about this plugin. If you want, you can go through it. However, just click here, get the free Figma plugin. Now, once you click here, you will land on another page, which is on Figma. So if you have an account on Figma, just make sure you sign in and you want to go and open this in a project that you want to copy to Framer. So let's say I want to copy this project to Framer. I can click on that project. And as you can see, it will load up right here this website. Now, this is not a website. This is actually icons right here. But I just want to show you how you can copy pretty much any element from your Figma to your Framer. So let's say I want to copy this entire website, right? Let's say this is a website and we want to copy it, right? We would click on the element that we want. We can also Control A and then we can right click on the element, or on Mac it will be CMDA. And then you can go to right click on the element, and right here, as you can see, you have plugins and you have Figma to HTML with Framer. So you can click on that. And as you can see, you will wait for a couple of seconds and this will copy this particular file and we can copy it to clipboard. As you can see, it copied 14 layers. Now what we can do is we can just paste this in Framer. So you can go to Framer, we can go here and we can paste it. So obviously this will be, very big, but as you can see, this is how you can go and pretty much convert any Figma design into a Framer website. Obviously this is done with an icon right here. But you can also do this with websites as well. Now, if you haven't watched our previous video on how to copy any website to Framer from WordPress or Elementor, you can watch that as well. And obviously, before we end the video, you can get a free account down below with our link on Framer, and you can also get 25% on a yearly subscription on Framer with our code down below. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.